No one can get people. That's like the problem that all our customers face. Most people we talk to in manufacturing, if they're under the age of 40, they're like, oh, I'm the young gun. There's no industrial base if all the old experienced people are retiring and there's no one to refill their shoes. The reason for the average age being 40 or even above, I think a lot of machine shop owners are like 60 plus, is really just, again, back to culture. What was sexy, what paid well, what was rewarded in society, and then like what a lot of people decided to like ship off overseas. I think making the machinist like the main character again is really about just like these long-lasting careers that are meaningful, that have a mission, that, you know, companies like Nox Metals, who can give technicians part ownership in companies or a very long future, or can actually work on like significant things bigger than them, where the job will be there for the rest of their lives. You know, what I think a 22-year-old should focus their life's work on is really hard to say. What I can say for sure is try to go work in a factory and decide for yourself.